Hello, my sunshiny friends. This is Sunshine Annie doing my DIY composition book planner. This time I was going to do a little more of a process video so you can see, hopefully you can see, that I've done some sketching to sketch in what I want to color in. I have done the initial setup of where I want my days, and I did put some washi tape in. This is 2 narrow strips, and then I did 1 thicker washi tape. I am still on my bee theme, and so I'm not going to do a lot of talking. You'll see as I'm coloring and stuff in. I just can't talk and color. I don't know. This is my color palette that I'm working with. I use gray to do the bees. And I will be going over them with a pen once I've colored everything in. The flowers will be possibly some of these colors, and the greenery and the background will probably be one of these colors. I may go with the yellow, but I don't know, because if I do my bees in yellow, I don't want to do the background color in yellow. So I'm going to start out, and hopefully you can see okay. I'm going to have to twist it so that I can color. I may actually even go upside down, because I usually start from the top and work my way down. So I will probably start here and be coloring upside down for you to see. And actually, you know what? Let's see if I can do this. Let's see if I can start from the bottom and go up. That'll be new for me. So I'm going to do all my flower colors first. The center. I'm not sure what I'm going to do up here yet. I'm going to fill in, this is the 21st, 22nd, 23rd, So, not sure if I'm going to color this in or not, because I may actually do some more doodles. I just wanted to get, oops, sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. That was out of, and I'm not like that. I'm not going to finish this part. I am probably going to color in the lines in between rather than use washi tape, and I will coordinate it with these colors. I can't believe how fast July is going. My goals for my goals for this this week. Again, it's going to be my normal focus on healthy eating, healthy habits, drinking lots of water. I can spell that. Trying to move around more, you know, get out, do a walk, or actually, you know, do the treadmill or bike. And be wary of my mindset. So, you know, focusing, focusing on my mindset and creating art. So this is what it's looking like right now. There you go. Sorry about that. This is what it's looking like right now. So the washi tape, my drawings. I'm on a bee kick because you know, we are raising some bees, and they're amazing. So I hope you have a great week. I hope you set some goals that you can attain. Always make them attainable. And tune in next week to see how this ends up being finished. Thanks so much and have a great week.